Pav, you grew up on Thai Tribute.
Sometimes you hate waking up in the morning. Feel the same as the night before. You see the same view sitting there on the table, table. And no doubt the same food in the refrigerator. Ah, chai. So you say to yourself, there's nothing in store for these days. So what's the use of me waking up anyways? Hold your head up high. God is on your side. Dry your eyes and know God's made a way. Be encouraged because everything will be alright. 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 It'll 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 be alright. Everything will be alright.